Hey everyone. Hope you're all doing great. My name is Henry. In this video, I'll be sharing everything you need to know about the Alka Water DIY bottle before you decide to buy it. I also have some important warnings to help you avoid losing your money, so make sure to watch this video until the end. Important warning: beware of fake websites. The Alka Water DIY bottle is only available on its official website, nowhere else. To help you out, I've added the official link in the video description and pinned comment below. I'll be here in the corner of your screen, sharing my honest experience and helping you decide whether the Alka Water DIY bottle is really worth it. What is the Alka Water DIY bottle? The Alka Water DIY bottle is an innovative hydration solution designed to transform ordinary tap water into alkaline water effortlessly. It uses advanced ionization technology to increase the pH level of your water, which is believed to provide various health benefits. But this isn't just a regular water bottle, it's a health-enhancing device that helps with hydration, overall wellness, and cost savings compared to expensive bottled alkaline water or filtration systems. Key benefits: portable and durable, perfect for home, work, gym, or outdoor adventures. Advanced ionization technology improves water quality and hydration. Easy to use, no complicated setup or technical skills required. Cost-effective, save money by avoiding overpriced bottled alkaline water. With its sleek design and high-tech functionality, the Alka Water DIY bottle provides a convenient way to enjoy clean, high-quality water wherever you go. How does the Alka Water DIY bottle work? The technology behind this bottle is simple yet effective. It uses electrolysis to separate and enhance the mineral composition of your water, making it alkaline. Step 1. Fill the bottle with tap water. Step 2. Activate the ionization system. Step 3. Wait a few minutes while the bottle raises the pH level and enriches the water with essential minerals. Step 4. Enjoy fresh, alkaline water anytime, anywhere. Alkaline water is believed to help neutralize acidity in the body, improve hydration, and support overall well-being. With the Alka Water DIY bottle, you get alkaline water on demand, without relying on store-bought alternatives. Final thoughts: if you are looking for a simple, portable, and budget-friendly way to enhance your hydration, the Alka Water DIY bottle is definitely worth checking out. Reminder: avoid scams. Only buy from the official website. I've left the official link in the description and pinned comment below. If you've tried the Alka Water DIY bottle, share your experience in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next video.